Welcome friends. Today's video we are going to see a wonderful tool called Padlet. It is a web-based tool which is very useful. You just go to Google and type padlet.com. You can get the interface like this. You can sign up, and before that you can see what are the benefits of this Padlet. It have numerous number of features. It is easy to introduce without any coding knowledge. You can create apps like thing. Same thing, you can conduct tests. It apply 42 languages. It easily work for collaborative line of teachings. Same thing, you can upload n number of types of files, Excel to video, whatever the thing, all the files you can upload. It will support all the devices, Apple, Windows. Then having a beautiful interface, you can customize also. Same thing, you can give password, so it's very safe and secure, very productive. Same thing, flexible and versatile. You can customize whatever the type you want. Depends upon the class, you can customize thing. It can give output in all the format, PDF format. Same thing, you can create your own personal profiles. It give the excellent support also. For a school, you can pay and you can get your version, so the teachers can collaboratively work in the school wise. It will support the blogs, and it give students reports and portfolios. It will integrated with Google LMS also, Google Classroom. Now we can see how to log in with that. So click the sign up for free. You can sign up with your Google account. Okay, give sign up for free. If you are using PC or laptop, it's very easy. Sign up with Google. You no need to create any username or password. Just click your Gmail account. After that, it will create your own profile. So this is the Padlet profile. For right hand side, make a Padlet. You just click make a Padlet. There is types of Padlets are there: wall, stream, grid, self, timeline, canvas, map, like that. N number of systems are there. Now I am going to show how to create a timeline. Just click timeline. It will create a Padlet. You can share with your students, so synchronously you can go with the classroom. Even the students are not in there. You can change the themes or background, whatever you want. Depends upon the classroom, you can change. Either is you can upload your school photo or subject content, and you can convert it in the form of background also. So I am going to select this one. After that, you can share with your students with QR code or link. Same way, you can give password protection also, so no one can join without the knowing password. So you can give protection also. If you are going to invite specific persons or your class students only, means you can go with this password protection method also. If not, you can go with open method. Open method also, they need a link. You can give type, whatever the title you can give, or you can give descriptions also. Okay, after that you can give next and save, start Padlet. Then you can give share. The share you can done with the help of QR code or link. Now I am going to show how to go with the link. Here there is a copy link to the clipboard. Privacy means you can give, select the students or very specific person with specific password. Otherwise you can go with public. Now you can go with, if I select the password, means you can create a password. With that password only the participant can join, or else you can go with public method also. Okay, next you can select the copy link, or else you can go with get QR code. I click copy link, you can paste in the WhatsApp group, or else you can go with the Google Classroom. That's all. With the link itself, the students can join in the Padlet. Okay, now you can see how many students are joining. We have sent the link. After that, you can give plus, you can give the subject. You can type a question or brainstorming sessions like this, or else you can upload a file. Okay, now we are waiting for the students approach. Before that, you can give type any question, expand ICT. publish. That's all. The question is published. It's the timeline. Like this video, so you subscribe and share this video to your friends also. Now you can see one student is joining. You can see the head 2. Like that the students are joining. If the students even they are not in the classroom. Okay, in classroom or if you have computer lab, you can do the same also. Or else if they are in home, they can join with the mobile. Now you can get the answer from students. So one by one the students are giving their answers in the Padlet. This output you can take in the form of PDF. Now I am uploading a file. It file may be an image, PDF, whatever may be. If I am uploading a file of PDF, I can give plus and select the file and I can upload. Okay, same way subject, or you can select the file is uploaded. After that you can ask the question based on the file. So you let the students to read the file, whether it is an image or a PDF. After that the students read and they can give the answer. Meanwhile you can type the question based on the file you are uploaded. Give publish. So the students are giving the answers by reading the file. So it's just like a synchronized classroom. You can break the barriers of distance, so you can easily get the classroom appeal virtually by means of Padlet. Okay, now I ask the questions. Students are giving answers. So it's just like a real classroom. You can get the answers. So students are typing their answers. Now you can get the notification also. Okay. With that you can get the students feedback methods or their approaches, their answers, test, FAA, all the tests you can conduct, or you can go the brainstorm session also. After that you can go with a share button, and the down you can get the save as image, PDF or CSV file. I go and select save as PDF, or you can go with spreadsheet also. So save as PDF, letter A4, I select the A4, publish PDF. You can get the PDF format. Okay, you can get the question and answers of the students. You can easily take it for your evaluation part. Same thing you can share with the students also, so they can get the what happened the last 1 hour in the classroom. So the Padlet is over. You have see ICT created by Rajesh Kumar. Now you can set the questions, then answers also. So with that you can easily download whole classroom activities virtually. You can collect in the form of PDF. Now you can share this PDF with your students. Here there are so many methods are there. I used today, I showing the timeline. You can use for wall, grid, word, group, like that. You can, so many methods are there, that also you can explore. Okay, it's free. Some extent it is free. If it is paid version, you can remove the Padlet and you can use once again. I hope this video is useful for you. You can share with your friends, comment your queries. If you have any doubts, comment in the comment section. I'll help you. Share with your friends. Thank you.